ZM Technical Analysis. General Overview and Trend. Zoom Communications, Inc. has experienced significant volatility over the past 3 months, with the stock price fluctuating between approximately $69.15 and $83.01. After a period of decline from May through July, the stock found support around $69.15 in early August and has since staged a recovery, culminating in a sharp rise to $82.47 by August 22. The price action shows a potential reversal from the downtrend, with the stock forming higher lows in August. The overall trend appears to be shifting from bearish to neutral, with recent bullish momentum suggesting a possible trend change. However, the stock remains below its key long-term moving averages, indicating the longer-term trend is still in question. Price volume. Volume analysis reveals several important points in ZM's trading activity. The most significant volume spike occurred on August 22, with 15,999,992 shares traded, coinciding with the substantial price increase to $82.47. This high volume day suggests strong institutional participation and validates the upward movement. Prior to this, volume levels were generally moderate, averaging between 2 million and 4 million shares daily. The correlation between the recent price increase and volume surge indicates growing investor interest and potential accumulation. The low volume during the July decline suggests weak selling pressure, which often precedes trend reversals. Moving averages, EMAs, and SMAs. The moving averages show a mixed picture for ZM. While shorter-term averages have started to turn up, the stock remains below most key moving averages. The 5-day EMA at 74.0907 is above the 5-day SMA at 74.726, indicating recent strength. Similarly, the 10-day EMA at 74.2963 is above the 10-day SMA at 73.075. However, the current price is still below the 50-day EMA at 74.8501 and SMA at 75.055, as well as the 200-day EMA at 78.4997 and SMA at 78.6379. The fact that the stock is trading below these longer-term averages suggests the overall trend remains bearish despite the recent bounce. A sustained move above these levels would be needed to confirm a trend reversal. Technical indicators. The MACD indicator shows a positive value of 0.1029 above the signal line at negative 0.8053, creating a positive histogram of 0.9082, indicating improving momentum. The RSI at 71.7922 suggests the stock is approaching overbought territory, but still has room before reaching extreme levels. The Williams %R at negative 3.8961 confirms the bullish bias without being overextended. The money flow index at 69.4123 indicates strong money flow into the stock. The stochastic oscillators show bullish momentum, with the 15-period stochastics at 67.754 and 54.5026, and the 5-period at 62.6585 and 56.0001. The CCI at 329.6376 suggests strong momentum. The ADX at 23.6513 indicates a strengthening trend, while the R1 oscillator at 57.1429 confirms the bullish dominance in the short term. Linear regression. While not explicitly provided in the data, the price action suggests the stock is currently trading above its short-term linear regression line, but below the longer-term regression line. This indicates a potential short-term trend change within the context of a longer-term downtrend. The recent upward slope of prices, especially in August, suggests the stock is deviating from its mean value in a positive direction. This deviation often occurs during counter-trend rallies and suggests the current momentum may continue before encountering longer-term resistance. Next trading day's opening forecast. Based on the strong close at 82.47 and the improving technical conditions, the next trading day's opening is likely to be around 82 to 82.50 range. Given the recent momentum and high volume on the last session, there might be some follow-through buying, although the overbought readings could also lead to some initial profit taking. The most probable scenario is a slightly higher opening, followed by consolidation as the market assesses the sustainability of the recent gains. Resistance and support analysis and intraday movement styles based on current prices distance to resistance and support. The immediate resistance level is at 83, the recent high, followed by 85 and 88. On the support side, the immediate level is at 80, followed by 77.5 and 75. The current price at 82.47 is very close to immediate resistance, suggesting intraday movements might initially test this level. Given the overbought conditions, we might see some consolidation or mild pullback towards support levels during the session. The intraday movement style is likely to be volatile, with potential for both upward attempts and pullbacks as traders take profits and new positions are established. Possible high and low values based on daily ATR value 14. The ATR 14 value is 2.1898, representing the average true range over the past 14 trading days. Based on the previous close at 82.47, the possible high for the next trading day could be around 82.47 plus 2.1898 equals 84.6598, while the possible low could be around 82.47 minus 2.1898 equals 80.2802. This suggests a potential trading range of approximately 80.28 to 84.66 for the next session. The ATR value indicates high volatility, which aligns with the recent price action of the stock. Possible scenarios. Several scenarios could unfold in the coming sessions. The bullish scenario involves a breakout about 83 resistance, potentially targeting 85 and beyond, supported by continued high volume and positive market sentiment. A neutral scenario would see the stock consolidating between $80 and $83 as it digests recent gains and tests the sustainability of the recovery. The bearish scenario would involve a rejection at resistance and a pullback towards $77.5 or even $75 support levels, indicating the recent move was merely a counter-trend rally within a larger downtrend. Given the improving technical indicators and strong volume, the bullish scenario appears possible, although the longer-term downtrend suggests caution is warranted. Conclusion. ZM demonstrates mixed technical characteristics with a potential trend change in the short term, but still within the context of a longer-term downtrend. The recent bounce has been strong, supported by high volume and improving momentum indicators, suggesting the possibility of a more sustained recovery. However, the stock remains below key long-term moving averages, indicating the overall trend is still bearish. The technical indicators show improving momentum, but also suggest the stock is approaching overbought conditions. Investors should watch for a sustained breakout above $83 as confirmation of further upside, while also being mindful of support levels in case of a pullback. The overall technical picture suggests a potential trend change, but requires confirmation through sustained price action above key resistance levels.